Lego Bear here, and today I will be telling you about railroad crossing safety. There are 2 points in this video, so make sure to pay close attention. Number 1, never drive or walk around the gates. Sure, sometimes you don't feel like waiting for the train, but it's never worth it because this is what might happen to you. Number 2, never put coins in the train tracks. Sure, it's cool to have big flattened coins, but it is actually very dangerous because if the train is at high speed, it can make the coin go flying and hurt somebody, like this. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a comment and subscribe. Bye.